Hey guys, this is my freshly installed AntiX 17.1. I started a video last night saying I was backing up all my data, and I went ahead. It took several hours to back up all my data to an external solid-state drive. I went to bed last night, got up this morning, went ahead, did the install. The install was very fast. The AntiX install, very simple, very straightforward. I went ahead and chose to base this on Debian SID. That's the unstable branch of Debian. So this is Antics based on Debian unstable. I haven't really played with it much. You guys know I mostly live in OpenBox. Sometimes I live in tiling window managers such as Qtile and Xmonad. Well, by default, Antics comes with IceWM, Joe's Window Manager, Fluxbox, Herbst LuftWM, and I'm probably missing another one or two. But I went ahead and I did sudo apt install OpenBox, but I haven't really set up an OpenBox session because I figured since I installed Antics, I really should try to live in one of the default Antics desktop environments, window managers. So what I did is, I really liked the Joe's Window Manager when I reviewed it as part of the Obscure Window Manager project. JWM is very similar in look and feel to OpenBox. It's very, very lightweight, very fast. Does support dynamic menus like the OpenBox pipe menus, so I can convert all my shell scripts and Python scripts that I had written for my OpenBox pipe menus and convert them over to JWM, and they'll work just fine. So I'm going to try to live in Joe's Window Manager here in Antics. I did need to install quite a bit of software on Antics. Antics is a very minimal distro. It's designed for minimal installations on older machines. Antics is great, by the way. If you've got an older machine that just will not run anything else, guys, give Antics a try. It'll blow you away. The install process was like 5 minutes. Crazy fast install. And that is a full install. I mean, you have 4 or 5 different window managers to choose from and an entire suite of apps. Minimal apps, but you've got a lot to work with. What I needed to install, basically to make this video here, I needed to install GUVCView, my webcam. I needed to install Simple Screen Recorder. I installed GIMP so I can make thumbnails and stuff for my YouTube videos. I installed Audacity, which I'm going to use to edit the audio for this recording. I installed Kdenlive, which I'm going to use to edit the video for this recording. I installed OBS, the Open Broadcaster software, because this evening I think I'm going to do a live stream from Antics. Let you guys help me set it up and everything, because I'm not going to really have time to play with it this morning or this afternoon. I've got stuff to do. But this evening I'm going to come back and I'm going to stream probably around 8 o'clock Central Time here in the U.S. And because I'm going to need some help playing around with Antics. I don't know much about it. I also installed Pulse Audio. Pulse Audio was not installed by default. It used ALSA. So I went ahead and installed Pulse Audio, installed the Pulse Audio volume control. That way, I'm familiar with Pulse Audio, so it's easy for me to adjust like my mic levels and things in the Pulse Audio volume control. And so basically I got all of the software I needed to do this channel installed. But I really haven't done much tweaking as far as, the desktop or anything. I noticed that Antics comes by default with 2 different file managers, the ROX file manager and the Space FM file manager. I really don't know anything about either one of those file managers. I usually use PCMan FM or Thunar if I'm doing lightweight minimal installs. So I figured what I would do, again, if I'm going to live in a new window manager like Joe's Window Manager, I'm going to try to play around with some of these new file managers I've never used before. Probably I'm going to spend some time in Space FM for now. One thing I've noticed, the Space FM file manager, I've already changed the setting, but this particular file manager, comes with single click by default. You single click on something, it automatically opens. I hate that. I really don't like single click, so I was able to find a setting to turn the single click off. But other than that, space FM for a file manager, it's probably going to work fine for me. I'm going to try to use, like I said, most of the default apps on Antics. The one thing I've already run into a problem with, though, is changing the wallpaper. I don't like how you change the wallpaper here with their control center. It doesn't size it right. Plus, I have multi-monitors. I have 3 different monitors. I'm not really sure what I need to do for a wallpaper. I may need to try to install Nitrogen, the Nitrogen wallpaper utility, see if I can get that set up, because I'm used to how that functions. It's able to size the wallpaper correctly, tile it. You can, tell it to put different wallpapers on different monitors and all of that. So I really need something more substantial than this Antics control center, how it sets the wallpaper, because it's just not working for me. But anyway, I just wanted to check in and let you guys know that the install went well. So I have a working installation of AntiX 17.1 this evening. Again, I think I'm going to do a live stream from AntiX 17.1 inside Joe's Window Manager. I'm going to try to configure Joe's Window Manager a little more to my liking. So I'll see you guys this evening. Peace.